Hi everyone, I'm Michael from Kataholos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new habit. So the three elements are cue, routine and reward. So the first thing is you need your cues. You need something that's going to precipitate the new behaviour. So it could be getting your exercise clothes ready the night before, it could be setting an alarm or a reminder on your phone, it could be saying, a good one is, just before this I'm going to do this, or just after this I'm going to do this. The second thing is the routine, so it's the new behaviour that you want to perform or the new thing that you want to do. It could be a work routine, it could be something to do with your relationship, something to do with your exercise, something to do with your fitness, your mindset, whatever it is, you do the routine. And then the third element is you want to make sure you've got a reward set up. So it could be ticking off a list in your journal, it could be sharing it on social media, it could be mentioning it to a friend, it could just be the feeling that you get afterwards. You need to make sure that there's some kind of reward in afterwards after the routine. So it's making sure you have the cue beforehand, the new routine, the new behaviour, whatever it is you want to do, and the rewards afterwards. Two more things to remember. Make sure that you take the time to focus on the rewards. Don't focus on the new routine because chances are you're not going to want to do it. Focus on the rewards, what it's going to feel like, who you're going to be, what you're going to become as a result of that routine. The second thing to remember is it's going to feel difficult at first, and that's okay. Focus on getting the cues, getting your stuff ready beforehand, and the rewards, enjoying how it feels afterwards. Even if you don't perform well in the routine, even if that middle bit is very difficult, challenging, doesn't go well, for now that doesn't matter. You're focusing on setting up the cue, setting up the new behaviour and the reward. And what will happen is, by having those things ready, it will get easier and easier and easier to the point where you don't even think about it. Like you don't think about brushing your teeth. Alright, so I'd love to know what you think. Please leave a message in the comments below. Tell me about a routine that you're trying to establish, a new habit you're trying to get into the habit of doing. Which ones have you done successfully so far and which ones are you finding difficult? Thanks very much for watching, hope it was helpful. Remember, cue, routine and reward.